everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Makeup by Nana, Nicole. I'm sure a lot of you have seen some recent changes. I did have to add my middle name. I felt that people will find me a little bit better just because there is actually a lot of Makeup by Nana. Make sure you add the Nicole to the end of Makeup by Nana. Again, that's Makeup by Nana, Nicole, which is my middle name. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification button so that you can keep updated with all of my tutorials. Check this look out. See you later. Thank you again, everybody, for stopping by and watching my video. If you have any questions, please remember to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the alert button for my next upcoming videos. See you later.